Had some viewers ask, where'd you get that apron you're wearing? Well, Amazon, and I'll tell you a little bit about it coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop, and as I mentioned, I had several viewers have asked, you know, what kind of apron is this, what brand is it, where did you get it, etc. For years I wore this one here, which is Tenacious Ergodyne work gear, which is fine. Everything is fine about it. It's quite dirty. It's got glue on it and stain and all that kind of stuff. That's the whole purpose of the shop apron. The disadvantage was in the pockets here, I would constantly have to take this off and turn it upside down because the pockets would fill up with sawdust. Well, I happened to see this when I was browsing around on Amazon that has flaps over the pockets so the pockets down here don't get all full of sawdust. And what brand is it? It's called Texas Canvas Wares. This isn't sponsored. I needed this. I bought it. I just thought I'd point this out. A little quick video. I'll put a link in the description on this particular apron. It is machine washable, although you would have to coat it again. It's a wax canvas, nice and heavy. So far I haven't messed it up too bad, but I've only had it for about a month. So, little quick one there, where I got the apron. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.